The wireless industry as a whole is moving very fast these days. It's exciting, all of the new technology we're putting into place, everything from small cell to DAS, distributed antenna systems, to the cellular stuff, putting it on top of the towers. It's an industry that's moving fast. I think our company is doing a good job of keeping pace with it, and I'm excited to see where it goes from here. Oh man, we do a lot. There's times where we're working in the rain. There's times where we're working in the snow. There's times where it's negative 20 plus degrees out and you're out there trying to get a system back online. There's other days where the weather is 80 degrees, it's sunny, it's the most beautiful day you've ever seen, and you have the opportunity to work outside, in your office 300 some feet up in the air. It's a very wide variety of different things you experience being a tower technician, but it is one of the most rewarding jobs that I've personally had, and definitely glad to have the opportunity here at One Way. The training for a new employee, it starts off here in the warehouse. We take them out back to the tower, we get them familiar with their gear, we get them familiar with the tower, we get them familiar with our rescue procedures, we get them familiar with the basics here in the warehouse. But that's only just the beginning. From there, you move on to the real training, which is in the field. And you work with a variety of different people. You work with the foreman, and you work with your lead mainly, to really develop the set of skills that you need to be proficient in an everyday basis. Everything from climbing the tower to learning how to test, PIM, sweep, fiber testing. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it. And while you start here at the warehouse, you really learn and become proficient in the field working with the foreman and the leads on a daily basis. It's all about preparation. It's about planning. If you can plan your day around the weather, it's very rarely that you find yourself in a circumstance where you can't work or be successful. There's always going to be those days where, it's too cold, or it's too rainy, it's too windy. A lot of the times, if you do a good job of planning, there's work you can do on the ground, in the trailer, in the shelter. You can fill in those gaps and you can stay productive. There's other days you can't. And that's just part of the job, but we go out there and try and do our best every day, and with a little planning and preparation, I find that we can be successful more times than not.